going to be opening our adjacent set straplets. It's perfect for Myrtle Dirtles, which put Sweet Emma here and start opening. Okay, now let's get out. Really loud though. There. Set it together. Let's put the box. It's right over there. Now here's our tea. So this is how it looks like. Let me see. No, Emma, you have to. Okay. Now, I can't see anything. Can I have a share so I can see? Oh, I know. The share. Okay. Now it's oh, there's one little thing. Let me get it out. This is how it looks, right? It's little pills. And so here is the tap pivot to put around your net, your doll's neck. And this is how it looks like. I turn the sides. Fine. Okay. It does those around your neck. But guys, make sure you put the hair up. This is how it looks like. Now let's take it off her. So this is the luggage tag, so it doesn't get lost. Now we see. Look, these two are hanging together. Let's pair them apart. So this is the conditioner, and the bitter one is the shampoo. Ooh, shampoo, that's him. This is how the shampoo looks. Now let's see sunset. This is how it looks. Let's see if that's open. So you will just have to attend the open. Next we will be doing this. It's for this. This is real bad. You can put the shampoo into this one. That's in sips and closes. That's included. So this is the toothbrush taste. So it doesn't get dirty. The toothbrush where you brush your teeth. It fits just like that, and the top sits out. So we have this little lid there. Put everything in. Okay. First conditioner. Alright, let's do the toothbrush holder, the toothpaste, the shampoo, and not the least, so everything fits, nothing else can go in. Oh, it's so tall that only those can fit. Oh, we have to try to fit the tooth. Doesn't actually open, but it does so it's open, but it doesn't really. Let's move for that. Wait, let's put it to the side. Can I hold it? Okay, you didn't hold it. Wow, this is so tall. Now we're going to be sitting on the passport. This is a case for all of your paper. Let's put the passport in here too.
This is
but it doesn't fit. Oh wait, that's really tall. Here's a map. It actually opens. This is one this and this super. This is the Zoe. Dummy bears. They're supposed to be wet little dummy bears. That is a snack for the plane and it's with dummy bears. It does not see open. It's really tall. Look close, you can see. Oh, one dummy bear sit down from the back.
Nice.
Sips. That's sips. These are sips. Sabrina's going to. Here is some utensils. And there's the lid. Very great that you can close it. Has a pink lid. And here's some fruit. That you can also close it.
Shoes.
Here is a bun.
shoes.
Here's a fork and a spoon. See them? It's the Zoe, and this is the butter for this bun. And this is a cup to eat, to drink after the bun. So this is the journal, and this is the pencil to write fun stories about it, but it's actually not working. Here is a camera. You can see somebody already took picture, and it does actually go better, but
This
it
is
is
a
hold
virus.
but it's really good. Oh, and you can actually move this.
It's
That's really cool. This is a bubble gum. It looks like that.
shoes.
You little tubes. Put it back.
A
This is the sleigh, and this is the sitters, and this is the legends itself. Let's see how much room. It has a lot here, and that's big. Lots and lots of room to store everyone. Oh, but let's first put on the titty tag. It's supposed to go here, right there. There it is. And where's the pivot case? Let's put it here. Let's pat everything up inside of it. So let's open it up and pat everything inside. Okay, first let's put the zips. And now the passport, the gummy bears, and the map, and the butter, and the Zoe, and the cup, and the bun, and the pencil, and the little tutoring pass. Here's the Tamil. Let's put it there. Now let's put the rest in. Oh no. Let's put not all. I'm thinking is fit onto fit. There. Baby sister is put on some sitters. You already see 3 sitters, and they'll do help her by sealing the sitters on. These sitters are supposed to be everywhere your doll's traveled. Oh, Sabrina ripped one off. Let me help her peel it off instead. It's really, really hard to peel something you actually peeled. Okay. Look at this one. It's really, really tall because it looks like a palace. Ooh, down backwards.
This is my
That's
Sam.
the country. Pickles Friday. That's such a funny sitter. Everything fits in, but let's close it up now. Let's split it one and the other. Now everything except for the titty wing and this. Let's put on let's give her the Tamla in her hand. So now our dolls are ready for a taste, and see you next time, guys. Bye.